just woken up. It's currently 7:30 and we're making our way to Cabanas now because we've got an excursion really early in the morning. Alright guys, we've been walking for about 5 or 10 minutes now. We're in like a little area here. If we go quiet we can actually hear the waterfall, and we have started seeing signs now. So we are very close, just need to avoid all of the mud. So yeah, what's that? Guys, it's slippery. So yeah, quite beautiful here. So nice trees around, very nice. But on the not quite as good side, I can no longer hear the waterfall. So either what I was hearing was not the waterfall, or we've gone further away to get closer. But right now it looks like we're still going up, so maybe we'll go out the clouds. That would be quite nice. So just hopefully we don't fall over. We don't want to fall onto that, if I'm honest. So very high up, as you can see down there. I can't even see the bottom. Well, actually I can now, yeah. Dirt trail. It's nice. Really scenic. So I'll see you guys in a bit further. Alright guys, we arrived at the waterfall. It's a long walk through a very rocky road, but look how beautiful that is. We're going to be walking under it. Guys, we're at the waterfall, we're about to walk behind it. And boy is it loud. Such a stunning view guys. Oh my god, getting absolutely drenched here. That is beautiful. Look at that view. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that beauty. The backside of water. The one thing everyone has wanted to see their whole lives. It looks exactly like the front. Let's clean the camera, yeah. It looks exactly like the front. Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water. Wow, it's beautiful. Very treacherous path though. See any trolls under here? We are in Norway. Wow, she's beautiful. Jeez. Right there. I think you can guys all hear how loud this is. I don't even know if you can hear what I just said. I just got further away from the waterfall, so now you can actually hear me. So making our way back now. Some beautiful scenery here, and some not quite as beautiful path, but beautiful scenery. Really high up. I thought we were in the clouds still, but it suddenly decided to rain on me, so I don't believe we're in a cloud anymore. I believe that cloud has left. Probably behind us, on front. But this is beautiful scenery. So we're now heading back to the bus that took us here. We're going to be heading back to the port, and we're going to be getting back on the ship and probably having lunch, because we're getting back to the ship around 11:45, 11:15. Nice little waterfall I just walked upon. Yeah, nice waterfall goes under the path. Comes out down there. That's a nice thing to come along. So yeah, I messed up. Alright guys, we just got into Animator's palette. I have made myself my character. He obviously has to have the nice witch's feet, blue trousers, lovely face with the terrifying smile, the nice pink hands as always, and the name. So see you when we're done.